Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Pavoni professional machine. Now this machine was brought here because you just need a new gasket, just a tune-up. We pretty much replace all the gaskets that you can see over here. The side gaskets, the side glass itself, the gaskets from the piston as well, the gasket from the portafilter, pretty much all these little pieces over here. And now that we have the machine heat up and ready to go, we're gonna test it out, starting with one shot of espresso, and then we're gonna use the steamer. So hopefully I got the grind set up correctly on this machine. Otherwise you're gonna see drip coffee. As you can see, the base rotates a little bit. Alright, and unfortunately I got it a little bit too fine for this machine. It's a little bit too hard to pull the lever. And it's also pretty hard to just do with one hand. But we have 2 ounces over here, 1 ounce over here. That's 1 ounce, which is as much water as it holds on the group over here. So let me put the iPad down. And just to see the flow of water, you can see that it's working perfectly. And now for the steam. A little bit too hot over here, so you don't get to see it that much. But no leaks and working perfectly fine. So thank you for playing with Kanen Coffee, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.